The next lady I'd like to go to is Rita. Hi, Rita. Hi. So how have you adapted your movement, your business, what you're about to an online strategy using one word?
See, the first thing I have, I think we all have realized the most important and supreme thing in today's world, in today's times, is safety and survival. The existence of life is something which we must really cherish. And if life is there, then everything else, the relationships and money and wealth, career, talent, ambition, everything is they're all accessories and frills that revolve around life. So the supreme thing is that we have to work, we have to be grateful that we are all surviving. The second thing is that we are able to survive by putting our business aside for 2-3 months, 4 months, till the time we actually get into flow. We are all able to even survive at home sometimes without money, using our savings. That is a huge blessing. Now, the third thing is that why we started digital marketing and online businesses earlier was to save time, commutation, and the kind of traffic we had in India was especially where I live in the metropolitan cities, would kind of gulp you away as a human being, tire you out to hell. So but a lot of people were not tech savvy, especially the generation that has not been with the computer since the very beginning. So this time has kind of pushed us all into understanding. I never knew of Zoom meetings, but now everybody is doing that, and I hear it all the time. The first time I heard about Zoom meeting was on Loani platform itself. So that is a tremendous way to interact, and people are saving time and of course being with their families. But at the end of the day, we also have to understand that while we are looking at the positive side of it, it is a very sad period. The physical presence has definitely got its value, and everything on a lockdown cannot work endlessly, because you need to have people, for even for your home. There are electricians, there are shop, there are so many things which you need to buy on a daily basis, and human beings are social animals. The pandemic has taught us that we as physical distances have completely lost their meaning because of the virtual world. And at the end of the day, the human touch and emotions will matter. So we need to, business wise and wealth wise, we really need to think of two things. When it comes to our home and family, we must always prioritize our spendings and savings in such a way that at any point of time, if we need to survive for say even 6 months without active earning, we should be able to do that. We should keep that kind of cushion alive. So do not overspend your money. That is one big lesson that we have learned in this pandemic. And the second thing is that we must diversify our sources of income.
Exactly.
And have a kind of a bouquet of even if you have one kind of business, there should be different ways to approach it, because we cannot be digital in 100% everything. Even a teacher student relationship, by physical presence, the aura, the human touch has got tremendous amount of value. So what we can do is that we can diversify our ways of approaching our businesses. I would like to say one thing, that she sang beautifully, and yes, it takes the work of substance, actual substance, and how to balance it with the marketing strategies is so difficult, because when you need to sometimes do a kind of digital detox. If you're marketing too much, then you are somewhere down the line taking away the time which should, it's kind of meditation to give your time to improvise and enhance yourself. And it is also a tough strategy that you must work upon, and give yourself time, slot times for marketing and coming on Facebook and social media online for some time, and then having a timetable, because that where everything you're doing on the computer can get so mixed up that you might just end up not perfecting any of those aspects. That was something I would like to say after she sang so
Ah.
well.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.